How to send USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So you just need to start by opening up your Tonkeeper first of all, and in order to transfer USDT into your wallet, you need to click on USDT and click on receive option. Copy your address. Next step is open up your Binance and sign in. Now once you are in, click on wallet on the bottom right, and then you're gonna need to click on this withdraw option. After that, simply click on the search icon and search for USDT, then click on send via crypto network. Now the first step will going to be, of course, pasting your wallet address and then clicking on your network, which will automatically choose to be Toncoin. Then you need to enter the amount how much you want to go with. For the memo tag, we are not required by the Tonkeeper itself, so we don't need to enter anything, and then click on the withdraw option on the bottom right of your screen. Then you will gonna receive it within the given time, which is of course not mentioned on the Toncoin, but in my opinion it might arrive in the 5 minutes because I never personally have sent from Binance to Tonkeeper. So hope this helped. This is how you can send USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper.